Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. So I received this package from CoinMan 5000, and I believe it's from a GAW that I won off of his website. So I'm pretty excited to open it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, let's see if I can go ahead and cut this open. Should be a nice little slot here for me. Go ahead and get the scissors in there. These awesome sharp scissors that I use to open my packages with. There we go. That's nice. Go ahead and take a look and see what's in here. Nice little envelope. The rest of the package is empty. So let me go ahead and, well, it's taped up very well, CoinMan 5000. So go ahead and get it from this side. And let's see what is in here. Wow. Take a look here. Here's a letter for me. Let's take a look. It says, congratulations. Thank you very much for watching and liking my channel. Please feel free to share my channel and also show off your winnings. Congratulations, Talking Bullion. I want to thank you for watching my videos and commenting. I hope you like the prizes. CoinMan 5000. Wow, this is really cool. Thanks, CoinMan. And as you know, I enjoy watching your videos. I try to catch every one. I love your live pours. And you have a lot of other great content on your channel as well. So I really appreciate that. And as you know, I bought your #1 bar as well, and I've got a nice video out there. If you haven't seen that, go out and take a look at my channel and check out this cool bar that CoinMan 5000 poured. I think you'll really enjoy that. So let's see what I received here. Awesome. Got a gold-plated coin here. Gold-plated round. I'll put that under the coin cam. Let's take a quick look at that. That's really cool. Let's take a look at the back side here. Oh, this thing's really nice. It says copy down there, which is fine. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else is in here. Let's go back to my main screen. Take a look in this envelope. There's more stuff in here, folks. Oh my. Look at that. Copper round. That thing is a beauty. And you know what? I don't have any copper rounds. This thing is awesome. 2 ounces of fine copper. It's got a Lincoln penny, 1909. Let's take a look at this guy. This is really cool. It's big and it's heavy. I like it. Very nice. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at how cool that thing is. Whoa. And then look at the back side here. Wheat penny, Golden State Mint, VDB on the bottom. Get at my circle there a little bit better, like that. Well, it's quite a bit bigger round than our normal round. So let me just throw a normal round on here real quick so you can see here. That's why I'm having a hard time fitting it on my coin cam, because it's got some nice size to it. That thing is really nice. Look at that thing. Wow. Let's go back to here and take a look at this thing. This thing has got some weight to it. Well, thank you for that. I really appreciate that. Again, my first piece of copper. I've been looking at them, just haven't bought one yet. So we have more stuff in here. I got a certificate of authenticity for the greatest U.S. coin replica. That's cool. Layered in 24 karat gold. It's a proof. Cool. That's awesome. Very cool. Love that. I got a couple more things in here. Wow, this is a great package to receive. Got myself a Mercury dime, 1944. Let's throw that under the coin cam. Take a look. Isn't that nice? Try hitting a button on my coin cam. There we go. I think that highlights it a little bit better. This is in great shape. for Mercury. Well, that is really cool. I love that a lot. And the other thing we have here is a V nickel. Wow, I have to tell you, CoinMan 5000, I don't have a V nickel either. 1905. This is really cool. Let's put this under the coin cam and take a look at that as well. Doesn't really frame up well on this thing, but that's okay. We just want a close-up look at this thing. Yeah, look at that, 1905. Let's take a look at the back, which is where it gets its name from. V nickel. Look at that. Wow. That is really cool. So let's put all this stuff together. Come over here, put this here, and this here, and this here, and this here. And look at that, folks. Isn't that great? What a great package to receive in the mail. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that a lot. This is really, really cool stuff. CoinMan 5000, you've outdone yourself again. Both of the packages I've received in the mail from you have been awesome, and I really appreciate it. Well, that's it for now, folks. I just wanted to show off this cool stuff I received in the mail today. And I thank everyone for watching my channel. Please give me a like if you like this video. And also subscribe if you haven't. Got some great content coming up. And remember, let's keep talking bullion.